Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect social media ads to Bluehost sites. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, you will just log into your account. And the step 2 is to go to the appearance a widget. From the left hand menu, click appearance and select the widget. And step 3, add a social icon widget. Drag the social icon widget to your slide bar to footer area. And step 4 is enter your social media links. Customize the widget by adding your URLs to your social media profiles. And just tab on it and create the URL of your social media. So step 5 is save and publish. Once you added the link, click save to make the icon appear on your site. So just tab on publish, and hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.